Do you love eggplant and are forever searching for new ways to eat this versatile vegetable? Then look no further as Imran.Family Kitchen presents to you our spicy eggplant and tomato rice recipe, which is a healthy and delicious one-pot dish that your family will adore. This dish combines the flavors of the Mediterranean with eggplant, tomatoes, garlic and peppers. So are you ready? Let's begin the recipe now. We are using one medium-sized eggplant here, which is also known as aubergine. Peel the skin and then chop the eggplant into small pieces. You can keep the pieces a bit bigger if you like the texture, but you will see why we have chopped the pieces finely later on in the video. Place into a bowl and leave aside for later. Now heat up 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil in a pan. Add in half an onion that has been finely chopped. Saute for about 30 seconds. Here we have 3 garlic cloves that have been finely chopped. Add this to the pan and saute again for another 30 seconds. Add in salt to taste. Adding the salt at this stage helps the onions to cook faster. Stir for about a minute on medium flame. Add in half a finely chopped capsicum pepper and 1 to 2 green chili peppers as per your taste. These Turkish peppers we have are not very spicy, but if you prefer the heat, then use chili peppers as per your taste. Now we are ready to add in the eggplant. Mix everything well until all the ingredients combine. Add 1 tablespoon of red pepper paste, or alternatively, you can use 1 tablespoon of tomato puree. This gives a richness and flavor to the dish and also brings out the vibrant color. Mix everything together, ensuring the paste has coated all the ingredients well. Next, we're adding in 2 fresh medium-sized tomatoes which have been chopped. Mix everything well. You can see how we are slowly building up the layers of the flavor of this dish. Now it's time to add the spices. First, add in 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 1 teaspoon thyme, freshly cracked black pepper to taste, 1 teaspoon paprika, half teaspoon oregano. Mix well for 1 to 2 minutes until the spices and herbs start to release their wonderful aromas. Then add in 1 cup of hot water. Stir and bring to a boil. Now add 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Reduce the flame to low and cover the pot. Allow to simmer on low flame for about 20 minutes or until the tomatoes and eggplant have softened. Wow, what an aroma! As you can see, the mixture has reduced into a rich, thick mixture. Stir everything well and then use the back of a spoon to mash the eggplant pieces. I have a trivia question of the day for you. Which continent do you think the eggplant originated in? Comment your answer below as I would like to see all your responses. If you like the texture of the eggplant, then you are free to leave the mixture as it is. But if you prefer no texture, or if you want to conceal the fact that we have some hidden veggies in the dish, then it is best to mash the mixture as per your desired consistency. Here we have 1½ cup of rice. We are using basmati rice, which has been washed and soaked for about 20 minutes. Add the washed rice into the pot. Gently mix the rice until all the grains are thoroughly coated. Here is a fun fact about eggplants. Did you know that eggplants are actually not a vegetable? Not only are eggplants fruits, they are technically classified as a berry due to the way they grow. Now comment below if you already knew this or if you are also surprised to hear this fact. Now add in 2 cups of hot water and gently mix. Bring the water to a boil and then reduce the flame to low. Cover the pot and cook on low flame until all the water has been absorbed. Halfway through the cooking process, About 12 minutes later, very gently turn the rice by bringing the rice from the bottom of the pan to the top. The rice is almost cooked, but there is still some liquid in the pan. Be very gentle so that the grains of rice do not break. To ensure the rice cooks perfectly, place a damp kitchen towel or strong kitchen tissue paper on top of the rice. Cover the pot again and leave to cook again on the lowest flame until all the liquid has been absorbed. The dish is now ready, and as you can see, we have super long grains of rice coated in the wonderful flavors of the Mediterranean. The aroma and flavor of the dish is just amazing. The rice is really fluffy and perfectly cooked. You can serve the rice as a main dish alongside your favorite salads and yogurt dips. We serve the eggplant and tomato rice with our Middle Eastern inspired grilled sea bass recipe, which you can find the link to at the end screen and description. And trust me, it was absolutely delicious. Did you know that we have an entire playlist with delicious rice dishes from around the world? How about trying our Arabian kapsa rice recipe, Middle Eastern mujazra, or our family favorite biryani and pilau rice recipes? You can find the link in the description and the end screen. Did you enjoy today's recipe, and do you consider yourself a helpful person? If so, please hit the like button. Consider giving a super thanks. We'd like to see where everyone is watching from, so please comment below the city that you live in. Your interaction with our channel helps our channel reach more people, and we really appreciate seeing the Don Imran family expanding all around the globe. And with that, catch you in the next one.